Happy Saturday. On a road trip right now. Headed to Slab City. Slab City is that way, about 4 miles down the road. We're in Nyland, California. Me and Brooke are about to eat at Buckshot Diner restaurant. I love diners. That's my preferred place to eat when I'm on the road. So today's my birthday. I turned 41 today. And I want to give you guys a message, especially to the youngsters. I had my first van build when I was 29. And in my first year of having this van, I went out on more trips than I did in my first van build in the 7 years I had that van. And if you're a younger guy watching this video and you have a van build, or you're thinking about having a van build, I really encourage you guys to get out there. It'll change your life, because when I was younger, a lot of us go through it. We're down on life, and then we find ourselves not getting out the house, playing too many video games, spending too much time on the internet, and it's just not a healthy way to live. You're not going to improve yourself if you're sitting at home all day. In doing a van build, it has helped my self-esteem a lot, because I'm not an engineer or anything, but when I'm working on my van, it makes me feel better about myself, because I'm learning skills, and that's part of what being a man is, being a guy is. You learn skills, you learn how to work with your hands. So I got solar on the roof, and I do little things, like my storage box. So yeah, man, get out there. It'll really change your life. I feel like I'm late in the game now, starting this. I got this van 3 years ago, and I really started going on camping trips 3 years ago. Like, I discovered the mountains 3 years ago. My first van build, it was all desert with my dogs, and now I'm doing the forest, lakes, like really exploring life now, really seeing nature now. So yeah, now I'm constantly thinking to myself, man, I want to go on a trip. I constantly want to go on a trip. Like, Brooke wants to go to Slab City. She really enjoys Slab City. And for me, I just like getting out on the road. It's so therapeutic for me to be out on the road. And as a car enthusiast, when I look at my van, I'm proud of it. So it's like everything positive about this hobby. It's a vehicle you enjoy. You're getting out of the house. You're learning skills. There's my awning up there. I got a porch light. So all that I did myself. The only big one I didn't do is the lift kit. But other than that, everything on my van, it's my vision. You know what I mean? Let's take a look inside. It's messy right now. Yeah, this is me and Brooke just rolling out of bed and headed straight for Slab City. So yeah, man, this is all my vision. Fridge, my little couch, bed. This is all me, man. The only expensive one that I didn't do, only a mod that was like really expensive on this, was the lift kit. But everything else, fender flares, all on my own. Awning. So you learn skills, and when you learn skills, you feel better about yourself. There's a sense in pride when I look at this van. I'm proud of it. It's not the prettiest van. It's not a $50,000 van, but it's my van. It's a van I worked hard on. And my creativity went towards my van. I have little details here, like my hood, 6.8 liters, Yeah, I wanted a van that looked really cool. And I think I accomplished that with this van. It's a good looking vehicle. Alright, everyone, if you want to get into this hobby, man, I'm always going to encourage you guys to get into it, because it has changed my life. Like, I'm enjoying life a lot more than I did when I was in my 20s and 30s. Alright, ordered my food. I'm making this video while I wait for my food. So there we go, Nyland, California, headed to Slab City, supporting a local diner. And that's the other positive thing about being into this hobby. When you're out on the road, you're supporting local businesses, and when you support local businesses, you're helping other people keep a job. So it's all positivity with this hobby.